23 years ago, my horse fell on me and completely crushed my ankle. They put it all back together with screws and plates at the time, but told me eventually you're gonna start to have trouble. And I started to have trouble. The pain got so bad that I couldn't ride horses, I couldn't teach my lessons. So that's when I was referred to Dr. Junko, Orthopedic Surgeon at Summa Health. Dr. Junko and I discussed the only way I was going to get my life back was a total ankle replacement. Dr. Junko is extremely skilled and knowledgeable. He puts you immediately at ease when you are at a pretty vulnerable state in your life. Total ankle replacement is not a surgery to be taken lightly. It is a very hard, long recovery. But if you listen to Dr. Junko and you do what he says, you will get your life back. Life now is fantastic. I'm riding horses, training horses, showing horses. Thanks to Dr. Junko and his team and the life-altering surgery, I am unstoppable.